Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can add Meta Facebook Pixel to your Hostinger website builder. It's pretty easy, nothing difficult. All you have to do is gonna 3 dots here, and there you're gonna find integrations, and there you're gonna find Facebook Pixel, and all you have to do is add your Facebook Pixel ID right here. So if you don't know, you're just gonna write Facebook Pixel ID, and you're just gonna go to Events Manager, and there you're gonna have your Pixel ID. So that's pretty much it, how you're gonna connect it, and then it's going to work for you. You can also double check it with the Meta Pixel Helper, the extension. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.